Welcome to my channel. Fix Wavlink Blinking Red Light issue. Tip 1. Examine the power socket. The first reason your Wavlink extension is flashing red might be due to technical issues. To accomplish this, restart your Wavlink extender. 1. After turning off your Wavlink range extender, unplug it from the power outlet. 2. Allow the Wavlink extension to rest for a few moments. 3. Reconnect and turn on your Wavlink extension. Tip 2. Avoid extender overheating. Your Wavlink extension is probably overheating, which is why it is glowing red. Avoid exposing the Wavlink range extender to direct sunlight and turn it off when not in use to avoid overheating. Keep your Wavlink range extender clean by wiping off any debris that has formed on its surface. Tip 3. Bring Wi-Fi devices closer. Reduce the distance between your Wi-Fi devices to promote effective communication to solve the problem. However, avoid putting them too close together to avoid a Wi-Fi signal collision. Tip 4. Remove Wi-Fi interference. Cellular phones, televisions, treadmills, refrigerators, mirrors, fish tanks, Bluetooth speakers, and other devices are major sources of Wi-Fi interference. So, keep Wavlink range extender away from such objects. Avoid placing your Wavlink Wi-Fi extender near metal items, concrete walls, or in a corner. Tip 5. Update the firmware. Regular Wavlink extender firmware updates are required for optimal performance. However, it appears that you failed to update the firmware, resulting in the Wavlink extender red light issue. Tip 6. Reset the Wavlink Wi-Fi extender. Simply click the reset button on the Wavlink extender to initiate the factory default reset process. When you reset the extender, it returns to its factory preset settings. Configure it from the ground up now. Thanks for watching.